Arak was founded on the ruins of the small town of Daskerah, which was destroyed during the Mongol invasion of Persia. Modern Eraq is a relatively new Iranian city with 2 centuries of history. In this video, a tour of Malik Street. This street is the main hangout of teenagers in the city of Eraq. Every night it is full of teenagers who come to this street to have fun and spend time.
قولم ولی خب خیلی چیزا
Once known as Abu Bakr al-Siddique Street, this popular spot is a one-stop destination for travelers wanting to experience the beauty, diversity, history, and culture of Amman. Rainbow Street is home to international council buildings, large businesses, rooftop bars, and dozens of restaurants. Travelers say this central location is the perfect place to grab a bite to eat while visiting Jordan. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq and one of the oldest cities in the world. It is full of historical and architectural monuments, like a jewel box of an oriental beauty. In this video, we take a walk through El Umma Park, which means the Park of the Nation, surrounded by a lively network of markets, cinemas, theaters, music and photo stores, and restaurants and cafes. Al Umma Park serves as a major urban entertainment center for Iraqi families. Rawalpindi is one of the largest cities in Pakistan, located in the northeast of the country, close to the border with India. Its northwestern and northeastern borders are adjacent to Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. Rawalpindi and Islamabad are very close not only geographically, but also socio-economically. In this regard, they are often referred to as twin cities. However, this cannot be said about the appearance of the brothers. Young Islamabad abounds with modern architecture, while the ancient Rawalpindi has preserved many historical monuments. Let us take a walk through Rawalpindi at night. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.